Welcome to our Seneca software tutorial series. In this video, we are going to teach you how to create your first dataset in the Seneca software. Now let's get started with the tutorial. First step, open the Dataset Manager. Second step, click on Add. An empty window will appear where we add different properties for our new dataset. Third step, type Sample as the company name. Fourth step, at decimal places, select 2. Fifth step, select January as the start month of the fiscal year. Sixth step, click on Add Stream and on the right side, rename the stream to Plan and press Enter. Then again, click on Add Stream, rename it to Fact and select Fact in the stream type. Seventh step, next to the added streams, there is a color picker. If we click on it, we can adjust the color for them. Eighth and final step, click on Save. In the Dataset Manager, this newly created dataset will appear. And this is how you can create a new dataset in Seneca software. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video of this series. Goodbye.